So today we're gonna make almond cream. You're like, what is almond cream? Please, it is my favorite thing on earth. I don't say that lightly. I'm a pastry chef, I make a lot of pastries, and almond cream is like heaven. We are gonna make almond cream today with almond flour. You can also use like marzipan almond paste, but today we're gonna do almond flour because I feel like that's what most people have on hand. You can use a hand mixer, we're gonna use a stand mixer. It's super easy, we're gonna cream it just like you would a cookie dough or whatever. So we're gonna take our butter that has been temping, it's room temperature. We've got granulated sugar, pop that in there, and then we're gonna cream that. So once your butter and sugar are creamed and fluffy, then we are going to turn it down a little bit and we'll start adding our eggs. This is 1.5 eggs. I know it's not a pretty number, but you know, here we are. So just like you would in a cookie dough, we're just kind of slowly adding and incorporating so as not to overwhelm. Try to beat it really well. More than you might for a cookie dough. So it's very nice and light and fluffy. And now I'm gonna add my almond flour. Obviously almond cream takes almond flour. And also cornstarch. And then just slowly get that in there without getting cornstarch in your face. Make sure it's really nice and incorporated in there. It's loose, it's a paste, right? And then we're gonna finish it. This is rum. This is light rum. This is optional, but it really does add such a beautiful flavor to the finished product that I almost never skip it unless there's, you know, an alcohol situation. Super easy, basic creaming method, like, wow. Who, me? Excessive? No. And that's it. Now you've made almond cream. Don't forget that it has to be baked. There's no using this raw because of the egg. So almond cream or crème d'amande is super duper versatile. You can use it to fill day-old croissants for a croissant d'amande, or you can use it to fill tarts. It's the traditional filling for a tarte bourdaloue. You can also use it in like a pithivers. You kind of bake it inside puff pastry. I mean, is there anything better than that? I'm not sure. So super versatile. Don't forget you have to bake it. And this is ready to go. Oh, one more thing. Super important. So you can use this right now, or you can make it ahead and then cover it and put it in the refrigerator for up to 7 days. And you don't need to temp it before you use it or anything. It doesn't need to come to room temperature. You can just slather it in your tart or whatever and be on your way.